Jai Shri Ram. Tyagaraja, 10 days before he took Mahasamadhi, he sang this song in which he tells us that he had a vision of Rama sitting on the Suvela Parvatam surveying Lanka before launching the attack. And Rama assured Tyagaraja that within 10 days I am giving you moksha, don't worry. So that is the gist of the song. గిరిపై నెలకొన్న రాముని గురితప్పక కంటి పరివారులు విరి సురటులచే నిలబడి విసరుచు కొసరుచు సేవింపగ గిరిపై నెలకొన్న రాముని గురితప్పక కంటి. His retinue, Rama's followers, they are standing. Viri means flowers. Suratulache, Suratulu means flower fans, fans made of flowers. So Rama's retinue, all his followers, all the Vanara warriors, everyone standing all around him and fanning Rama with fans made of flowers. And Kosaruchu, that means constantly making some requests, entreating Rama for their own moksha perhaps. Tyagaraja says that he had this vision. In this Skanda Purana, it is mentioned that Suvela Parvata Rama, you should worship Suvela Parvata Rama in order to get moksha. So, Suvela Parvata Rama. పులకాంకితుడై ఆనందాశ్రువుల నింపుచు మాటలాడవలెనని కలువరించి కవి కని 10 పూటలపై కాచెదను త్యాగరాజ వినుతుని. That means Tyagaraja is experiencing horripilation, goose pimples, and his eyes are welling up with tears of joy because of the vision, and he is babbling incoherently. He wants to talk to Rama. Rama understood that, and Rama said, don't worry, 10 పూటలపై, within 10 days, కాచెదను, I will take care of you. That means I will confer moksha. Oh Tyagaraja, don't worry. This is Rama's assurance to Tyagaraja. What an awesome kriti. గిరిపై నెలకొన్న రాముని. You can listen to so many singers are there. M.D. Ramachandran, I think he sang it very well.